In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a YouTube live stream. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you're logged into the YouTube channel where you want to stream on. Then go ahead and select on this plus button over here that says create, then select on go live. Afterwards, it is going to bring you to a menu that looks like this. And then from here, what you want to do is you want to go to the top menu and select on this button that says schedule stream. Then go ahead and give your stream a title and then a description. But anyways, what you want to do is you want to scroll down, and here's where things get really important. So you'll notice that it is going to ask you, how do you want to go live? You guys have two different options. So we can go live using a webcam that is connected to your computer, or if you're just using a phone, it could be like the camera on your phone, or you guys could use something called streaming software. Now this here is a really common option, and it works with a lot of different software out there, including OBS and stuff like that. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to actually do streaming software. So yeah, keep that in mind. And then you guys can select on the other important information like the category, the thumbnail, whether you wanted to include it in a playlist, and the audience, whether it's made for kids or not. That's 100% up to you. Then go ahead and press on next. Then you guys can add all these different customizations such as live chat summary, and then you guys can determine who can send messages, whether that's anybody, subscribers, etc. That's 100% up to you. And then you guys could also enable slow mode as well. And then anyways, let's go ahead and press on next. And then from here, select on the visibility. So select on whether you want this to be a private stream, a unlisted stream, or a public stream. And obviously you want to go ahead and schedule the time over here. So let's say we want to go ahead and schedule it for February 1st at 6 p.m. We can do that. Then you want to go ahead and press on done just like so. All right. And then afterwards, it is going to go ahead and now begin creating the stream. So let's say it is now February 1st and it's time for you to actually live stream. Here's what you need to do in order to actually go live. So you will notice that over here, it is going to say something like this: connect your encoder to start preview. All right, so what we need to do is we need to get something called a stream key, which YouTube is automatically going to generate. And then we need to input our stream key into our live streaming software in order to connect the live streaming software to our channel. So let me go ahead and show you guys how to do that. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on this option that says copy, and that is going to copy your stream key. You guys could also press on learn how to use encoders, and it is going to give you the stream key right over here. So yep, here it is. I'm just going to press on copy. Then I'm going to go to my live streaming software, which for this video is going to be OBS. And I'm actually using this to record right now, but I could also use it to live stream. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and select on settings. Then you need to go ahead and select on stream. And then over here where it says service, make sure that YouTube is selected. Then what you want to do is you want to select on use stream key right over here. And you want to go ahead and just paste in your stream key just like so. So this is the stream key that we did just get. And then afterwards you want to select on apply. And then from there, you're able to go ahead and now live stream over to your YouTube channel. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.